Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of silver has moved in the last month and how the price of silver can move in this particular. So if you look at the chart of silver, what you can see that there is a range bound market. Okay, this was the range bound, and after that this range has break upside. We have seen again this particular range. Okay, so if you look at this particular range, this is range from 2014 to 2020, 2014 to 2020 the range was there. Okay, after that this particular range has moved upside and made this particular range. Okay, and if you look at this particular range also, this is from 2020 August 2020 to currently it is trading at this part. After this range has break upside, we have seen another, that this is the range where the silver price was moving since August of 20 to now till now. See, if you look at the chart, what we can see that this is the range 21.400 around, that this is the low of that particular range. So once this low has break downside, if you have seen my video, I have told that it can go further down. Okay, and it made a low of around 20.453. okay, after that it moved upside because this is a support which is being tested, which is not being tested here, so probability was very high it can bounce back from this level. Now what we can see here, that after second week of May we have seen there is a rise in the price of silver. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see, it can move further upside towards a level of 22.259. okay, and if the range sustain this level, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 22.476. okay, and once this range break upside, further upside, we can see it can go further high to a level of 22.692. okay, and if it goes above that level, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 23.343. okay, once this level because this level is already being tested here, so probability will be high, we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 23.921, and from there we can see it can go to a level of 24.137. once this level crossed upside, and then we can see it can move further high to a level of 24.571, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 24.787. okay, and this 24.787 is already being tested twice, so probability will be high, we can see it can touch a level of 25.365 also. okay, and once if it goes above that level, then we can see a trend will form, okay, towards an upside, and then we can see it can go to a level of 25.824, and from there we can see a level of 26.197 also, and then we can see it can move further upside. okay, but suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see, okay, if the price didn't sustain this particular level, we can see it can move further down towards a level of 21.510. okay, and this level is already being tested, I have already told you, and the probability will be very high, it can go further down and can touch a level of 20.888. suppose if the price goes below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 20.473. okay, and if the price goes below that level, then we can see it can move further down towards a level of 20.100. suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level also, we can see it can move further low towards a level of 19.644, and from there we can see it can go further down towards a level of 19.021. okay, and if the price didn't sustain this also level, then we can see it can move further down towards a level of 18.399, and from there we can see it can go further down towards a level of 17.777, and then a further down level we can see in the price of silver, because it will come in this particular zone, and once this zone comes, then we can see if it goes below a level of 17.77, then we can see it can touch a level of 16.782, and from there we can see a level of 16.242 also. okay, so once if the price goes below a level of 17, I'll make another video where I'll tell you where it can move further. okay, but as of now what we can see, if the price sustain this particular level, we can see it can go further high, or if it goes below this particular level, a level of 20, then we can see it can go further downside. okay, now understand something, if you are trading, you have to understand that that most of the trader lose in the market. okay, most of the people who trade lose in the market. okay, and now if you are trading, you have to understand something, that if you are trading with $10,000 of capital, okay, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. okay, that comes to around 1500 to 2k. okay, and risk should be 0.5 to 1%, that is around $50 to $100. Okay, that comes to around 1,500%. That is, risk will be 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. And now if you take 5 trades also, okay, and all these 5 trades went wrong, you know your risk is $500. So what you can do is, maximum risk is $500, so you can trade with a relaxed mind the next day, because this is the thing most people do. Will they lose so much money that the next day they try to recover it, which in turn lose their full capital. Okay, this is what I teach in my workshop. If you want to overcome all these things, you want to attend my workshop, mail me regarding this and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please